How to add Linktree to TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open the Linktree application on your phone. Then, once you're in this page, tap on the Share button over here. Now tap on the option Copy from here. Minimize the application. Then, open the TikTok application. You will then be taken to this home page, from where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Then, from this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're in, tap on the option Account. From this page, select the option Switch to Business Account. Now, hit the Next button. After that, keep hitting the Next button until you find this Business Category section. Once you're here, select a category of your business contents and hit Next. You can avoid putting the email and bio. Now close the tab at the top left corner. Go back and go to your profile. Now, tap on the Edit Profile option. Once you're here, tap on the option Links from the menu. Then, just tap on Website and paste the link over here. Once you're done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner. Now, go back. And as you can see, the Linktree website URL has been added here in the bio. So, by following these steps, you can easily add Linktree to TikTok.